So, you know how Netflix, Apple TV, Disney Plus, and Amazon are homes to exclusive movies made by these companies? Well, this is happening to Blender and it is awesome. Introducing Blend.stream. Blend.stream is a website carefully created by a set of community members and visually spearheaded by Curtis Holt. This is a simple website for the community, built by the community to help other community members to find rich Blender content. So the idea is for entertainment and discoverability. According to Curtis, this website is an interface wrapper with a familiar Netflix-styled interface to help people find Blender shots and movies which are primarily on YouTube. Now, in one way or the other, this website is a win-win for everyone. As it helps creators get discovered, it is also helping the Blender community find these contents pretty easily. Currently, this site has no ads and there is no intention of adding one. Although, for the creators that makes the shots, the developers of the Blend.stream are navigating ways to see how these videos can have a preview ad. This is one way that the creators of these shots and movies that are YouTube partners can actually earn from it. Now, for those who like to take a look at this, links to this is going to be in the description where you can check it out. And of course, if you get on this website, you would notice that it looks very familiar with what you already know, which is Netflix. So you get to see we have a big banner right here. You can actually click on watch to start watching that. Then you also have the new arrivals. The Blender Studio projects are all here. You'd also find some photorealism sort of project, and this has been properly categorized. So you're looking for non-photorealistic ones, you're looking for sci-fi ones, some music, action, surreal, comedy, some fan projects that are pretty cool. You'd also get to find some car projects as well. Thrillers are here, humanity, historical, and with more options coming in soon. And for those who like to jump on this, probably you do have an animation that you want to share, then you can simply click on the login here and then you can submit. Now, if you don't have an account, this would actually ask you to sign in. And to sign in, you require Discord. And Discord seems to be the only way that you can sign in right now. And if you click on Discord, this will do a very simple handshake with your Discord and get you up to speed. And once you're logged in, you can click on submit one more time and you can start submitting stuff. There are certain criteria to keep in mind before you submit. And like we mentioned earlier, this website is not targeted to you having your videos uploaded directly here. So once you're filling this, you need to put your video's YouTube link, and that is how the video gets to be shown on this platform. Other things that you might also need to know, like we mentioned earlier, is all the views that comes from this website actually translates to the views that you're going to get on your YouTube page. And it's very interesting to see that we now have a website that actually allows creators enjoy rich Blender content. Now, this is very similar to what we had with Animato, a website that we talked about earlier, but the big difference between Animato and Blend.stream is Animato is more work in progress and showreel driven. So just in case you want to share the showreel of what you're creating or a work in progress, then you can go over to animat.to and share this right here. Of course, there are lots of things that you can do here. You can check on some jobs, some events, you can learn some stuff, rigs, short films, and reels as well. But Blend.stream is more like the Netflix of Blender creators, where you can come through to discover and enjoy Blender shots and movies. And speaking of Blender shots and movies, the folks at Blender Studio have also announced a brand new project that they're working on. It's called the Pet Project. At this point, they're looking at exploring some stylized form of animation, and the idea here is to create some sort of series out of this. So if you're pretty excited about this and you want to come through and check it out, then of course you can do that as well. And for those who enjoyed the charge animation, which is pretty dope by the way, you can also read up on the blog that talks about how the pre-visualization helped in making the whole movie come together. And this is also something that is going to be very useful if you're thinking about getting into production and you like to get a head start about how some of these things work. So there is a good set of guides and a good set of reads that you can find here, and it is pretty interesting. So this is more like it. Blend.stream is now here, the Netflix of Blender creators, and for anyone who has very interesting content that they would like to share with the community, this is your chance to put it out there. And for those who like to discover and enjoy rich Blender content, then this website is an amazing one for you to bookmark and keep in your watch list. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And of course, a huge shout out to Curtis Holt and Joshua Noba for making this possible. Links to this and also their product pages is also going to be in the description, so do well to check them out. And of course, if you like this video or you like something from this, you can go ahead and give a like and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.